All right, folks, what is up? Okay, so I'm going to be doing a review and also a little tutorial on how to use earn.com. I believe they used to be called 21.com or 21co or something of that sort. Now, what I really like about this website is you get paid to answer emails. Now, this might sound like spammy or something like that, but it's actually not. It's really legit. I had this about 3 months ago and I didn't get serious until maybe like last month when I started getting even more emails from people. So the whole thing of this is basically when you reply to somebody's email, right? You don't really get paid for it or anything like that. Or let's put it into another reference, when people spam you, right? This actually filters it out where they have to pay you. And the cool thing is you get paid $1, usually $1 for answering their emails or replying to their emails, but you're getting it in Bitcoin, right? So imagine if this was, let's say 5 years from now, right, when Bitcoin is about $1 million and you're getting $1, right? And so Bitcoin's $10,000 right now, so that's a 100x increase. So you're getting about $100. Let's say you don't spend any of your money, right? So you're not adding it to the dollar value, you're adding it to the Bitcoin value, right? So my portfolio is telling me I have this much in Bitcoin and this much in the actual fiat currency. So I'm in USD currently right now. Now, what was really cool was I've been getting paid actually a lot. Like every month I'll get paid like 120 bucks from some random, I guess it's person, entity, who knows, and it just goes through my Coinbase account. And you actually, I think you can actually link it up. So here you just go to earn.com or you can use my referral link below. It's just going to be earningbitcoin.com. Every time you refer somebody, you get $1. So I really appreciate that. And then you can share it to your network and your followers, right? So for example, on my Twitter account, you can use your Twitter, you could use your Facebook, you could use any of them and basically have it to here. So instead of, let's say you don't have a website or you don't want people going to like your Facebook or your Instagram or whatever, and you actually want to get paid for it, right? So if you go to it could be yours or it could be anybody really, right? So you go here and you just put in your URL, and I really like right. So right here, well, I did Discord, but right here you can change it to whatever it is, earn.com, and if you go to Bitly, you can use the links and you can shorten it, right? So mine is earning Bitcoin, Bitcoin, right? So I shortened it, and then it goes right to the referral link, okay? So this is how it's gonna look on your emails. So I'm gonna go to email. Now I have it hooked up to my Gmail. I probably should have done it to my more my professional crypto portfolio, like Proton or something like that. But either or is fine as long as you get it and as long as you answer it. Now most of them require you to answer within 24 hours, right? I mean a little bit more than 24 hours. So you usually have about a week to do it. And then they'll usually remind you, I believe it's within 72 hours or 24 hours, one of those things. So right here, right, and it goes really, really back, all the way back here, but I deleted some of it over here. But this is the pay message, right? So I'll click on one of them just to show you, right? So it's gonna say, hey, somebody sent you this message. You need to reply in order to earn the 24 hours. And let's see. All right, so yeah, this one says within 24 hours for your free. Okay, so how this works is usually this is gonna also be for like cryptocurrency as well. So a lot of them are gonna ask you to join like their Telegram group, like right here, right? The Telegram group, which is fine. Just do it, and you're gonna want to put in your Ethereum ERC20 token address. So not Coinbase or Poloniex, but like my Ether wallet, MetaMask, or your Treasure or your Ledger, right? So you do that, and then it's going to ask you for your Telegram username, so whatever your username is, and then just click join. And if you want to, you can participate and whatnot. Usually I'll stay for about a week. I'll say hi just to get the engagement running, and then I'll probably back out, because it's just, by the time you join like 20 of these, there's just so much. But this is actually just, you're not going to make like much money, but this is like literally free Bitcoin. I know it's only $1, but remember what they said about back 5 years ago when Bitcoin was $1, right? They were like, they didn't even give it any thought. So this is just, share with your Facebook, share with your friends, and use your referrals to get more earnings. So this is your referral code. You can shorten it like I did, just copy it here, or you can share it. But overall, I really like this program. And you can also look at, let's see, they have a community right here as well, which it's a Facebook. Usually I tend to stay away from Facebook. And you look at your referral. So like I said, every time somebody signs up, you get $1 from them. So I had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all that they have to actually verify. So it doesn't cost any money for you or them to verify. All it asks to do is it asks you for, like, your email and stuff like that. And what's also really cool is once you verify yourself, you actually get out then there's like $1 or something like that in Bitcoin to verify yourself. So I would do it now when Bitcoin's less than $10,000 right here. Cryptocurrency trade investor, and yep. So you can have your website. It's whatever you want. So for like my website, it's actually, that's wrong. So I'm gonna change that pretty soon. But yeah, this is what it really looks like, and you can change your emails, and yeah, you can do up to $100. But I would start off with 100. I start with $1 right now, right? And then let's see, airdrops. It's telling you, hey, if you want to leave these, you can leave. You can leave these as well. Then you can link up your social media account. So not like your Instagram or Snapchat or anything like that, but more your professional accounts. And you can also donate to whoever, which is really cool. So like Coin Center, I would donate to them, or Code to Inspire, and any of these ones that you want to do. And then you don't need to have, for two-factor authentication, if you want, you can. You can also link your credit card. You want to cash out, you can cash out, but it links up to Coinbase. Let me see, I'll show you. So if you go to Coinbase, right? It used to be, like I said, it used to be called 21Co. So it's going to say earn now. So I'll have to relink it, actually, relink, because it's telling me to relink. But all you have to do is go on the bottom and then just do relink it. And then it's probably going to ask you for, like, hey, your Coinbase code and stuff like that, right? So you just put it in there. Now, if you don't have Coinbase, I mean, you don't really need to worry about it too much, because I'm sure you have I believe they're going to give you your own wallet. Yeah, 21.co. So see, I already have it right there. Gmail.com. Give me 1 second while I look up from my passcode, because I have passcodes, different codes for almost every single one of these crypto websites, and it's sometimes hard to remember them. I think it's this one. Either this one or, okay. Okay, so it's the other way around. So once you link that up, I'm going to tell you to authorize, and just authorize it. Then I'll show you actually how you can hook it up to your Coinbase account as well. Overall, this is like, if you blog and you do like stuff like that, and you want people to pay you to reply to you, I mean, you're going to get some people who don't, but even if you get one out of, say, 10 people, right? Hey, it's worth it. So if you go here, you go to, I believe it's withdraw. You go to your, so right here, right? So this is your wallet. So 21.co, right? And 21.co. Now, I probably would rather go to the actual Coinbase one, because I think that would actually show me how much I actually really have on here as well. Cash out history, you can download it, and it adds it up for you. I don't have anything, so it's not going to do anything. On my credit card, right? That's, I guess, if you want to buy or pay other people to answer your emails. So if you have somebody that has an earn account and they want to get paid, hey, fork up, right? All right, so excuse me. So right here, 21Co, right? So this is the deposit that I got from it overall. Oh, no, that's okay. Yeah. So this is the transaction so far from 21Co, I believe. No, I think this is all from the overall Okay, so no transaction there. I wonder why it's telling me that I have this much transaction. I think this is the transaction from all. Okay, so this is the transaction from all of them. Yeah, because if I click on Bitcoin, right? Yeah, it's going to tell me that. It's going to tell me 21Co. It changes. Okay. So not exactly 100% sure where these numbers are coming from, but hey, whatever. Okay, cool. So back to earn.com. Again, overall, I give it 9 out of 10. I really, really like it. Just keep it to $1. I use a professional email, right? So I would recommend using protonmail.com. It's a free service that you can use. Excuse me, I thought I muted that for a moment. Okay, but other than that, hey, go to the link below that I had, and I believe you get $1 as well, and I get $1. So it's a win-win. It's awesome. So share with your friends. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like this, comment. I'm going to be doing more videos as much as I can. Just I have more free time now, so I figure I'd give back to the community, and it's be fun. All right, folks. I will see you all later.